Is that a witch laugh? If you're anything like me, then Halloween has snuck up on you and you've waited until the last minute to get a costume. I know you're scrounging around trying to figure out what to do because there's simply not enough time left. Well, I've got you covered. I'm Kayla and I'm the fashion and beauty producer at Revelist, and I'm going to show you how you can use pieces from your closet to create festive Halloween looks. All you will need is a few accessories to make the look come to life. Ready? Let me show you how. Go team! Matching sets are super trendy and almost everyone has one in their closet. The easiest way to create a cheerleading uniform is to grab that matching set, add some high knee socks for the cheerleader appeal, and then accessorize with some pom-poms. Instantly, you're ready for the party. Go team! Now I know in your closet you own something red. Whatever it is, whether it's a dress, a suit, a shirt, throw on all red, including the shoes, add a red lip, and you're instantly the devil. Of course, you're gonna wanna accessorize to make your costume feel very devil-like. So you're gonna add a tail. And of course, no devil costume is complete without the horns. Okay, so I know we all have a plaid something or another laying around. If it's not a shirt, you can use a cardigan, a scarf, and if you don't have one, grab your husband's, your boyfriend's, or maybe even your son's. A plaid shirt paired with overalls, which are so trendy this season, is a great way to instantly be a scarecrow. But of course, no scarecrow costume is complete without a hat. Now ladies, I know you have an LBD laying around. A little black dress? We all have them. I know I have at least one, maybe 5, but this isn't about me. Grab that little black dress you have laying in your closet. It can be short, it can be cocktail, it can be maxi, and pair it with your favorite pair of black boots or shoes, and you can start to create a witch costume. I need a couple of accessories, so I need a witch's cape, of course. And if you don't have one, you can take some old feathers laying around the house and glue it to a scarf. Adding a cape is a great way to elevate your little black dress and make it look more costume-like. But of course, no Wicked Witch of the West is complete without her hat. So, if you didn't believe me before, I bet you do now. If you waited to the last minute and don't have a Halloween costume, all you have to do is shop your own closet and add a few accessories. Let us know down in the comments which last minute Halloween costume are you gonna choose, and we will see you guys next time. Now, where on earth did I put that broom of mine?